आज मीटिंग घेतलेली आमचे फादर आणि सगळे ऑफिशियल्स ऑफ द चर्च अलॉंग विथ डिफरंट डिपार्टमेंटल ऑफिशियल्स. प्रसाद स्कीम वॉज कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड की ताज्या अंडर सगळे कॉम्पोनंट्स जे ओल्ड गोवा चर्चीक जाय किपींग इन माइंड मॉन्युमेंट एंड द हेरिटेज. A lot of things were required in terms of infrastructure support, in terms of mobility, in terms of information counter, in terms of toilets, many things which are required to complement this structure. Goincho Sahib म्हणटकर सगळे irrespective of religion, caste, creed come together आणि we need to be ready in the eventuality of any of these type of numbers which are increasing. आज पहिले जाल्यार post COVID lot of numbers have increased in terms of spirituality sector. ओल्ड गोवा डेली नंबर्स येता जाल्यार पहिले तांकां सपोर्टूय जाय पडटा आनी ताज्या खातीर 2019 जी संकल्पना प्रसाद स्किमीच्या अंडर घेतिल्ली. आफ्टर दिस गव्हर्मेंट अंडर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत कमिंग इन, we have personally pursued at ASI, NMA and all the central commissions, taking this opportunity to thank our Union Minister Mr. Kishan Reddy ji and our Dr. Pramod Sawant for continuous support, for which we have been able to get all permissions right. आज हेतू आशिल्लो की all stakeholders who are related, all departments which are related, and आमचे फादरांकडे उलोवन to present them what has been there, to the ideas they had given. They have given certain suggestions that which we would like to again want to discuss along with the consultants. एकदा ते झाले, the important is 2024 the world will be coming here for exposition. And exposition येता असताना numbers, the world which will come here should get the right message of not falling anywhere short. So we as a pillar to support are here to be there along with the church to support them whatever in terms of infrastructure, mobility, connectivity is required. And ते सगळे प्रेजेंट केला. तांच्या भितर डेलिब्रेशन जातले. Again आमचो लोकल आमदार बाब राजेश फळदेसाय also will be talking to them. Myself and Bob Ganesh, chairman, is already been supporting this whole thing to move fast along with the chief minister. आणि मुख्यमंत्र्याचो हेतू आशिल्लो की जे कितें जाय 2024च्या पयलीं जावचें म्हणून.